For today, I will teach about TOEIC Part 5. For many people, TOEIC Part 5 is difficult. It's like mathematics. Others think that Part 7 is important, but for me, Part 5 is also important. The most important, of course, is Part 7. But if you want to get the most score, you need to answer Part 5 too, because for Part 5 you have 40 points, and for Part 7 you have 48 points. Now, other students start with Part 7 because it's important. But for me, I want to give an advice to start on Part 5. Because if you started well in Part 5, you can make the most out of Part 7. Okay. After you finish Part 4 of the TOEIC test, you start Part 5 rapidly. Part 5 is mostly about grammar. So it's like mathematics. You need to know what goes after the word and before the word. You start rapidly, and then first check the blank. Okay, check the blank. Check the word before the blank and after the blank. By just checking those words, you can identify which word is the answer sometimes. But there are times where you know the word before the blank and after the blank, but still the answer is confusing. So when it's still confusing, read the whole sentence. Okay. Part 5 is more on the mastery of patterns. What is the word after this word? What is the word before it? If there is a noun, what do we need? An adjective, an adverb? Of course, for example, if the blank here, A, B, C, and D, you have nouns. You have nouns here, and then before that noun, you have adjectives here, and then noun here, blank, and then another word. For example, you have adjective here, and then adverb, and then conjunction, and then preposition. Let's say that this word is article. This is an article, blank, and then the noun, and then period. With this, you can identify that the word after the article and before the noun is an adjective, because adjectives describe nouns, not adverbs, not conjunctions, not prepositions. So that is